My queen!
You look so beautiful, just like a real princess.
Mommy, I don't want to be pink.
Where's my daughter?
Oh, thank you so much.
I wish Mommy was here with me.
Now what do I do with her?
Who are you? I don't remember anything.
I'm your mother. Everything will be okay, trust me.
Where are we going? Mommy!
We live here now. Promise me you won't go outside.
Yes.
Soft wings above, they soar so high. Around where whispers
Remember, only by staying here will you be safe.
Bye-bye!
Please, I need this job. With this job, I can finally stay close to my daughter.
I'm so happy to be here with you, Mommy.
Me too, sweetheart.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This is my chance to talk to my daughter. I've missed you so much, my little one. You're my whole world.
Don't touch me. I don't need you. My life is better without you. Stay away. Mommy, I made this for you.
I hope someday I'll get to see what's out there.
Hello, Mother, Father.
I'm glad to see you. I have something important to tell you. A prince will come to the palace to meet you. You must consider marrying him for the good